We are on the way to Cairo Grand Museum. Kita nyo yung pyramid na yun? Yan ang Giza. Our tour guide secured us the entrance ticket. This is included in our package tour. Ang lawak pala nito. According to our tourist guide, the area is 50 hectares. Developed area is 167,000 square meters. Ang ganda ng structure. Giza Pyramid inspired. Yung giant statue na yan ay si King Ramesses II. Our Egyptian tour guide is fluent of speaking English.
Remember this name, Hyksos. Because I believe myself, I believe that those Hyksos are the one who made pray.
Going up to the second floor using
Or they are
elevator.
afraid of. Because
Ang
the
daming
Nile
tao.
River, this is the reason for life. It become God
The museum
of
gallery
fertility.
is until
Because they
third
were afraid
floor.
of.
Sa totoo lang, hindi namin nalibot lahat kasi napakalawak. At isa pa, wala pa kaming pahinga dahil from the airport, tuloy-tuloy na yung aming tour.
We call it a false door. A false door.
Ito yung loob ng Tutankhamun Gallery. Ito yung solid gold burial mask of King Tutankhamun or King Tut. King Tut was the young pharaoh at the age of 9. Pero namatay siya at the age of 18 or 19 years old. Dahil young pharaoh nga siya, tingnan nyo naman ang upuan niya, pambata talaga. Gold chair.